Welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 9. The problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to create a pattern given below for the value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like below. So it's like a rhombus shaped pattern. The first line has 1 star, second line has 3 stars, third line has 4, fourth line has 7, and fifth line has 9 stars. So we have to split this problem into two parts. One is the erected pyramid and the one is the inverted pyramid. So let's write those two methods here. One is erected pyramid, which also takes the value n, and reverse pyramid, which also takes the value of n. So let's write the implementation for erected pyramid. So public void erected pyramid, which takes int n as input for that. So first is increasing order. So we'll start with, we have to split that into two parts. One is to print the spaces, one is to print the stars. So the outer for loop will start with 0 and I less than n, I plus plus. Within this, first we have to write the for loop for spaces. So for int j is equal to 0, j less than, first we have to write only stars, single star, that is two into I plus 1. 2 into I plus 1 would do the trick. 2 into I plus 1 j plus plus would print this is for the star. System dot out dot print our star. So for printing spaces, let's do for int j equal to 0, j less than so first time we have to leave here 1 space, 2 space, 3 and 4 space. So 4, we need n minus I minus 1. That way we will get the increment spaces for increment values for writing spaces. That way I will leave space here, and for when I complete one iteration I will have to use a new line. So what this would do is it would print first 4 spaces and then the number of stars mentioned here, right? And now let's start writing the inverted pyramid, the implementation for inverted pyramid. Invert or a reverse pyramid, that's what I've written on the top. Reverse pyramid. So for the reverse pyramid, we'll follow the outer loop, that is 5 more lines, and first we have to print the spaces. So for space, we would just copy, the logic would remain same, and only, and there is a typo I think I can see here, I haven't written semicolon at the end of the statement. The same goes here, but the logic to print the space would be just I, because Here for the inverted pyramid, we need increasing number of spaces, and it should be in the reverse order, like we solved the previous problem. That is 2 into n minus I would give us n minus I would give as the star number of. So if when n is when I is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, so 2 into 5 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So we'll have 9 stars printed here. And then when it is 4, 4 minus 1 is 8. Sorry, 5 minus 1 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So we'll get 7 stars. Right. So let's run this. Let's run this code and check. Accepted. So let me submit this code. Oh, so all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you, friends.